Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pratishtha and I post videos related to freelancing, content writing and life in general on this channel. And it would really mean a lot if you would take a moment and subscribe. As you have read from the title, today's video is about make my 2022 vision board with me. So why this video is important because it is very important to have specific goals. So living my life, I am 21 years old right now. I will be turning 22 next year, and till 19 I never really made goals ki okay, this is what I'm going to do next year, because I was in school and then I was in college. So we already knew that what was going to happen next year, and our only goal was to do better in school and in college. At least that's how I lived my life. But since the pandemic, I started making my goals, and I made my goals in 2020 and I achieved 95% of them. And then I read that you have 34% higher chances of achieving your goals if you write them down. And what happens is that you write your goals down, you keep them in a diary, in a journal, or in your or on your digital diary, and you keep them. But when you have a vision board, it's way more specific. You see them on a daily basis and you see them, you visualize them, and it's way more fun. Now, addressing one more thing, that why am I sitting like this? I haven't put makeup on, I don't have a setup, I'm just sitting in my home and recording the video because my life has been so hectic. My business has been growing like crazy. Now I have a social media manager on board, I have an intern, I have so many clients. Not like so many clients, because having so many clients is not a flex, guys. You need to work with less clients and make more money. That's a flex. But still, I have a considerable amount of client projects going on, and that's why life has been all over the place. And I sort of understood that I am procrastinating making YouTube videos because I couldn't have that perfect lighting, perfect sound, and that is why I have decided to make my videos raw up till the point that I can get that entire aesthetic setup. Maybe I can move out or something like that. So I have also realized one more thing, that there are people who make super aesthetic videos, and then there are people who make super raw videos. And if your content is good, you're going to get the audience. So if I provide value to you, all those things wouldn't matter. So I'm going to do that. Now, why do you need to have a vision board? You may not have a proper cardboard. You can have a set of pictures, having print out of those pictures, and you can keep it somewhere personal if you feel like your privacy might get infringed, because a lot of people out there are not comfortable sharing their goals with their family because of the toxicity, because they're scared. And it is totally okay. It's your vision board, you can make it the way you want to. So what I did, guys, was that I watched a couple of videos on YouTube regarding how to make your vision board, and then I downloaded a couple of pictures which were very, very specific to my goals, and I sort of took them to the printer, and then I got them printed out. So now I'm going to show you my pictures, share a little bit about how I have decided my goals, how I'm going to go ahead in my journey of making my vision board and throughout the next year. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I have a meeting to attend today, and I am watching Gossip Girl right now. I was watching Gossip Girl, and that is why I had a lot of work to do. I'm in and out of a lot of work. Now I have a Zoom call with my accountability partner. Her name is Anushka, and she's also going to decide her goals for the year and everything. Like, she wants to discuss it with me. I have also discussed it with her, so that we remain on the same page during our monthly and weekly calls as well. It really helps us. And I was reading a book, and it said that your chances of achieving your goals increase by 73 point some percentage if you have a regular accountability call with an accountability partner or someone you trust. And she's not just a accountability partner, she's a really close friend as well. So I might or might not get the time to make the vision board today, but I'm going to show you what I have on my vision board. So these are the pictures for my vision board. Let me show you guys. So this is the first one. So this is a picture of Taylor and Selena. I really ship them, and I wish that I have these kind of female friendships in my life, and like doing epic shit together. It's really important for me, and that is why I have these pictures. And then I have a picture of a very aesthetic desk, which hopefully I'll get this year for myself, and one picture of Boss Babe, Daniel and Natalie. If you don't know them, they are a 7-figure business owner, and they are amazing. They give that vibe of being boss women and supporting other women, which I really stand by, and I really vibe with them. So definitely would like to get into a place where they are some years from now. So that is why their pictures. I have a picture of going to Goa, and then one of going to Kashmir, and the rest two are the amount of money that I want to save this year and invest this year. So I have kept a specific number that I want to save and invest. Now these are the two sure vacations that I have planned and I want to take this year. Now the next one is my YouTube. So I have edited and written 10k over here, and for LinkedIn I have done the same thing, and I have written 25,000. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Let me show you properly. Yeah, so I have edited this number and written 25,000 so that I get 25,000 followers on LinkedIn and 10k subscribers on YouTube. I know it's a big number, but maybe even if I achieve 50-60% of it, I would be really happy, right? And after that, I have written the number of income goal, the income goal I have, so the number of that, and after that how much money that I want in my travel fund. So these are again the things which I have written. That I have put a Taylor Swift picture again because I really love her, and I love how unapologetic she is about everything that she's doing in her life. Then I have a camera because I want to get a YouTube camera, and if you don't know her, she is Erin May Henry. She's a business coach, and if you don't know, you can check out her Instagram. She's totally amazing. She is a very inspiring business owner. I love her vibe, and I also want to hire a business coach for myself, so that's why her picture. And then I have AirPods because I want to get AirPods for myself. After that, we have three more pages to go. Let me quickly show you guys. So then I have picture of going to the gym, then a 6-figure business, eating healthy, and if you don't know her, she is Alex Catoni. She is a 7-figure copywriter, and I really love her. I have learned a lot from her free channel. This is the source that I really recommend to all of you if you want to learn copywriting. Her channel is the way to go. You will learn a lot, guys, and I really love her, and I hope to become as good as a copywriter as her. So that's her picture. Then I have alarm because I really want to become a morning person again. I think coronavirus just got me into that slump last year. And then I have sponsored brands and deals. So yeah, sponsored brands and deals is what I am manifesting this year. And then I want to be super active on YouTube. That's my favorite YouTuber, Best Dressed. And then I have one more picture of reading because I want to read a lot this year. And then I have last bunch of goals, which is basically Barack Obama and Michelle Obama, weight training, and Shah Rukh Khan. Why? Because I really love how well-rounded personalities all of these three human beings have, and I think more than the amount of money you make, more than the amount of fame you have, the popularity you gain, the things you do for yourself, it is very important how you make others feel. And I think that is why it's very important for me to grow into that all-rounded personality that people are drawn to. Not just because I want to please everyone, it's because I really want to become that person that other people feel comfortable with, and really become very aware of the privileges that I have and how other people make life better and have a positive outlook towards life. Anushka Rathore, say hi to my YouTube video. Jaldi!
Embarrassing me.
Jaldi! This is my YouTube video.
Hi guys.
How excited are you for your New Year goals?
Very excited except the part that you are doing over there.
Yeah, she's going to do it, guys. She's very hardworking. So I'll catch you guys later. Say bye to my vlog.
Bye.
Hi guys, so now it's almost been a week, and for a week I went to my brother's wedding to my village. I came back and I did not get the time or the motivation to continue this video. Literally, it is so difficult for me to make videos right now. My mind is not in the right place. Like, I don't have the motivation and I'm just pushing myself to make this video, and that is why I've decided that fuck the background, fuck my hair, fuck how I look, and I'm just going to do it. This video got started on a very raw note and it is still there. I'm still not my most chirpy self. So this is what we have right now. So we have this huge ass cardboard, and then I was watching vlogs on my laptop, and after that I have my vision board pictures and everything is messy, plus no one is at home. My mother and my brother did not come back. They are still at like the my Masi's place, and my dad is in office, so I'm home alone and I don't have the motivation. And I was probably planning to spend this day in my bed and again not have any kind of motivation, but I was like, fuck it, I need to start working. So now I'm going to figure all of this stuff out, make the final vision board and show it to you. I just don't have the energy to do a time lapse or do anything like that. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much guys. This is the one of the most imperfect videos I'll be posting, but I'm going to do it anyways because this is life and this is what actually happens. Because when you're planning your goals, you have this perfect picture of this is how I want my life to look, but there is always one behind the scenes going on which helps you to attain that perfect picture. And whenever that behind the scene happens, so like whenever some problem happens, I usually have a very low tolerance level and I get very worried, but it is also a part of life. If that behind the scene would not happen with you, you wouldn't get that perfect picture. And I have a lot to share. I have a lot of thoughts, a lot of video ideas to share, but I always get imposter syndrome, especially when it comes to YouTube. I don't know why, because recently I have been becoming a more and more private sort of a person. I get a lot of existential crisis, so I feel like what is even the point of it? Why do I even need to share? I don't matter, and all of those thoughts coming up to me. So I'm going to sort of be more expressive. I don't know why this is happening. Maybe because of the shit that has been happening in my personal life, and I have been feeling like that I'm a crybaby or something like that. So maybe that is why. I don't know. I have been going through a lot and I just want to make this video. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much, and I'm going to complete my vision board and get back to you guys.
I'm like, but I don't need more money. I'm good with this amount of money in my bank account. I just feel like the more you earn money, the more one.
I was like, damn, I'm not the top of the pile, I guess.
Oh.
But really, I like every single guy that I met off of Tinder.
Okay guys, this is ready. I am so happy right now. This is my room wall and I'm going to hang it over there and it's going to look so good, and I'm so happy, although everything is a mess and I'm still watching vlogs. But this is so nice and I love how this turned out. So the thing is that I have been making vision boards for a long time, but I haven't made a physical one. I usually make digital ones, and this was just so wholesome. And although thoda sa pressure aa raha hai because they are really big goals, but I'm so excited. I'm going to look at it daily and get inspired, and of course I'm going to look at it sometimes and get depressed as fuck, because that is how life is. And anyone who is watching this video, guys, download a couple of pictures, not downloading a couple of pictures. Take a notebook, write down your goals, and then try to convert those goals into something visual. So for example, I really wanted to have overall personality growth, so that is why I have Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, Erin Henry, Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift, SRK, Best Ritz, Alex, Daniel, and Natalie. All these people who have inspired me. And to be honest, if I look at the way Alex has inspired me, to way the SRK has inspired me, or to way Taylor has, it's really different. They are at different parts of my life, and that is what you also need to realize while writing your goals and making your vision board, is that you are a human being and you have multiple dimensions, and do not try to hold yourself in one particular bucket. So you can be like crazy ass teenage girl, but at the same time have a very good business mind or money mindset. It's okay, because sometimes what I feel is what really limits us is our mindset and us thinking that we have to fit in one box. So for example, if you are really sexy, then you cannot be really intelligent. This is something which women have been going through a lot. So just don't put yourself in a box, don't limit yourself. And I feel really good about this vision board. And of course, this year 2022, I'm going to be super active on YouTube. I have finally decided to do YouTube after a lot of in and out. Will I do it? Will I not do it? I'm going to do it, and I'll take you guys along with the journey. And this year is going to be a lot, I think, because I'm manifesting it to be the best year. So let's see how it goes. And I just want a simple, happy life this year. So let's see what I'll do. You guys will be there with me. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel, because more awesome content is coming up.